Bay leaves, a simple leaf you often find in soups and stews. But did you know this ancient herb carries powerful health benefits that go far beyond just flavor? In this video, we'll explore how bay leaves can improve your health, support digestion, manage blood sugar, and even enhance relaxation, while also making your dishes taste amazing. Stick around till the end because you'll also learn how to prepare a powerful bay leaf tea at home. Bay leaves come from the bay laurel tree, native to the Mediterranean. Ancient Greeks and Romans considered it a symbol of victory and healing. For centuries, bay leaves have been used in both cooking and traditional medicine, valued for their rich essential oils, antioxidants, and unique aroma. Bay leaves contain vitamins A, C, and B complex, along with minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron. They are also packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals such as eugenol and cineol, compounds that give bay leaves both their health benefits and aromatic flavor. Let's dive in the health benefits of bay leaves. Number 1. Supports digestion. Bay leaves stimulate digestive enzymes helping break down food more efficiently. They may reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion when used regularly in meals or as a tea. Number 2. Helps regulate blood sugar. Studies suggest bay leaves may improve insulin function and help regulate blood sugar levels, making them especially beneficial for people managing diabetes or prediabetes. Number 3. Boosts heart health. The antioxidants and compounds in bay leaves can support healthy cholesterol levels, protect arteries, and reduce oxidative stress, promoting better cardiovascular health. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Bay leaf oil contains eugenol, a compound with anti-inflammatory properties that may help ease joint pain, arthritis, and even headaches. Number 5. Enhances immunity. Thanks to its vitamin C, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties, bay leaves help strengthen your immune system and protect against seasonal illnesses. Number 6. Relaxation and stress relief. Burning bay leaves has been used traditionally for stress relief. The calming aroma can help reduce anxiety and, promote relaxation. Culinary uses of bay leaves are, honestly, what they're most famous for. You just add 1 or 2 whole leaves to soups, stews, curries, or rice dishes, and then remember to remove them before serving. They infuse your meal with a subtle flavor that really ties all the ingredients together. One of the best ways to unlock the health benefits is through bay leaf tea. Here's how you do it. Boil 2 or 3 fresh or dried bay leaves in a cup of water. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, then steep for another 5 minutes. After that, just strain and enjoy. Oh, and you can add honey or lemon for a little extra flavor if you want. Now, a quick word on precautions. Bay leaves are safe in cooking, but you should avoid eating them whole since they can be hard to digest. Also, if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication for diabetes, it's best to consult your doctor before using bay leaves medicinally. So the next time you add a bay leaf to your soup, remember, you're not just adding flavor, you're also supporting your health.